Guys, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, visible, sir.
So thing is package management. Okay. So package management. What is package management? I have an application. I want to install an application. I want to uninstall the application. Right. So what I want to install application. Okay. Install application. Remove this. Installing a application. Update application. Okay. Install application. Update application. Uninstall or remove application. Okay. So just I'm removing application word to reduce text structure. Okay. Installation of applications, installation of packages. Because why I removed application? If question is how to install a package, no. Sir, don't tell us package kind of stuff. We told about an application, so we don't know. So then you say don't know. That will happen. That's why I removed it here. Okay. So installation of package, installation of application. Okay, like that. So install, update, uninstall or remove. These three things are very important. So there is a several ways to manage the package. Several ways to manage the package. I am typing first other ways. Okay, it means make install installation with a dot slash something dot sh something dot sh. Okay, so like something dot sh kind of stuff. Using that by running dot sh, make install kind of thing, make file kind of stuff. Resetting recommendation settings or something is there. Recommendation setting. Okay, there is a several ways to install the application, but as for the Red Hat and as well as CentOS, Linux basic structure of installing or uninstalling or managing packages are RPM and M. RPM and M. You have to learn. Okay. So these are the main two things are important one. Okay. So RPM. Okay. Resource package management like that it is come up. So then we'll put a same thing RPM full form. Rotation per minute, resolution per minute, Linux. Okay. RPM package manager, also known as package manager, Red Hat package manager. Okay. RPM, so yeah, it can be. Yeah, guys, at the time of LVM only, I want to tell something about a few websites. If you want, like some are interested, some are very interested in a administration, Linux installation kind of stuff. So for them, you can search it like how to do this kind of, how to do that kind of stuff like that. So one is like accessredhat.com is one of the good guideline from the Red Hat directly. TechMint. So most of the times I use TechMint only for setup anything. This is the showing a comments only, but I'm not going with the comment kind of stuff. But now, so if I want to set up something like a LVM earlier or a RIDE or like that, so I put a LVM. Okay, I want to install a LVM in Linux, LVM in CentOS. Okay, like that. So go to accessredhat.com or a TechMint. I prefer more in a TechMint only because when I do from the TechMint maximum it is successful without a errors. But you need a little bit of consciousness. That's it. digital version like this. Digital version also will give you a good part. Okay. See, here it is, part 1, part 2 of LVM. So explanation of LVM, commands of LVM. Okay, like this. So each thing you can able to do it is till the last you can go. Okay. So how to create a LV creates like this. The only thing is you have to little understanding is important of Linux is important. Okay, so TechMint is also one of the easiest one. Next, I said RPM, right? So in RPM, you have different commands. First of all, understand package, how it is look like. Any application is basically a package means end with RPM. RPM based packages are like an application sealed in one single package extension with a RPM. First of all, package name, any name, package name will be there. Some packages like this, some are like this. X86 underscore 64 or a 64-bit. Sometimes architecture it will be displays, right? EL7 or EL6 depends upon your package. So some are will tell versions like 1.3.4. Okay, so package name, versions, architecture, on which type of operating system this will work. Means 32-bit, 64-bit architectures. Which type of architectures means it works, and which type of voice it is. Red Hat 7, Red Hat 6, Red Hat 5, Red Hat 8, Red Hat 9, right? Like this, it will say. So if it is a 7, 7 won't work in 6, 6 won't work in 7. Okay, so keep it in that mind. So compulsory, guys. That is another problem with Linux is, okay. So it is not much easy to install a certain application and work with it. Compulsory version should be matches. Architecture must be matches like a 32-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 64-bit, and EL7, EL7, EL6, EL6 only. Okay, next. For sometimes we are already discussed like a 32-bit, 64-bit architectures. EL6, EL7 means Enterprise Linux 6, Enterprise Linux 7. Like a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7. CentOS 6, CentOS 7. So this type of things are very careful with that one. Next one is Notch. What is this Notch? Earlier days of Linux, I learned myself Linux, guys. I didn't. Only few means for certain cloud related things, we learn Linux related one, few commands, which is based on that one only. But the maximum Linux I learned myself only. Okay, so by textbooks and all kind of stuff. That time I thought it is a Notch. Notch means no architecture. Actually, it is not a Notch. It means no 32-bit or a 64-bit specifications. Not 32-bit, anywhere you can use it. Okay, works anywhere. It is called a no architecture. No architecture. SRC, source code file. It is also sometimes it will mention here source code, SRC here. Okay, so be careful. It is a, if it is a package, is SRC type of package, it is a source code package. For example, I want to download Java JDK 8. So I'm going to the website. It is displaying different kind of stuff. You can see it is Linux related thing. JDK 8U means 8.0202 version. Linux type i586 means it is a 32-bit, x86 32-bit RPM, direct RPM package. This is tar.gz. It is compressed format, 64-bit format, 64-bit format. This is .exe format, means Windows formats. Okay. I didn't see any SRC formats. ARM format, Linux ARM format. Mac OS, because it's yeah, right. Sorry, Linux base means so Java, but I have to keep few things, and we can we can find SRC 64-bit. Okay, same Oracle only. It will show you that one. Okay, the package name somewhere. Architecture is 64, AMD architecture is 64, AMD 64 is also like that. So the bin also represent, it's a binary package. Bin also represent binary. SRC or a bin, also you can see bin, binary package. Binary package. Meaning is this is also source code. This is also source code. These two are SRC bin. Unable to show you that one, guys. You can search different packages, Python, Oracle SQL, also SRC 64-bit. A lot of things are there. So not only this. So these are not SRC. These are Windows based. I want a Linux based. It is not even a Linux based. Technologies, product. No. Yeah, it's a waste of time to search something. Okay, so yeah, you can, whenever you try, you can find it, this kind of stuff. Guys, remember, package names are there, versions, bit, which architecture it will work, and this is type of extension it is. So look at the package. Sometimes 32-bit, 64 bits are showing in different ways. Okay, sometimes like a x86 means Intel 32-bit kind of stuff, i586 or i386. It means Intel 32-bit only. Intel 32-bit only. Sometimes directly 32-bit. Sometimes directly 64-bit. x86 underscore 64-bit for 64-bit. AMD 64-bit for a 64-bit also possible. Sometimes x64 it is also shows like this. Okay, it depends upon x32 for a 32-bit. Okay, EL6 and CL7s are a Red Hat 6, Red Hat 7 versions. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6, CentOS 6. Okay, like that. Just keep going. Like a different type of Linux is there now. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, CentOS 7. Okay, no architecture, binary files, ARM files. ARM also possible. Check the ARM package carefully. Yeah, this is about a package first. But what is the use of this RPM? RPM is for a package management. RPM, package management. So here it is. If you want to install a package, RPM -IVH and package. Okay, .rpm. So whatever it is in between, I put a star for that one. Any combination between a package and RPM. Okay, so here it is. -A represent install. -V, guys, remember this one. Verbose means when you are installing or copying, generally it won't show much in the screen, right? In Windows, you are copying it. It's showing you details, right? What are the files are copying, the big line kind of stuff. So like that. That is called a verbose, means what is going on. Okay, like that. It is hash. Hash. HAS. Okay. So hash files, any hashing is there. It try to encrypt that kind of hashing kind of stuff. Okay. I for installation, E for remove. Okay. RPM, I for installation, E for remove kind of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So look at here. This is the package. It's a beautiful package. It is showing EL6, and it is a architecture. This is the version. This is the package name. IVH for installing. Install verbose. H means print hash mark. Print hash mark for unpacking. Like this. See, it is another package. BitTorrent, some version Python, no architecture means so the it is not a any 32-bit 64 architecture. Anywhere it will work. Anywhere it will work. Q for query, P for list capability this package provider, R for a list capabilities on this package dependencies. So like that it is showing. The first one is we'll go to here. We'll put a RPM -help. No. Sorry, I think I'm confusing you. RPM package manager -q for query, V for verify, I for installation. Okay. Capital U for upgrade, -e for erase. So this is the package related kind of stuff. And sometimes it is required a compulsory certain combinations with it. Means Q alone it won't work. I alone it won't work. Like that. Certain combinations are required. So what I'm doing is Q for query. Query means what is this package? Is it installed, not installed kind of stuff. For update, -e for remove or erase. Okay. So these are the options to install the package, remove the package kind of stuff. I will show you how to do in a practical manner, but I will show you some more options. -all, -f. Okay. P for a verbose, print verbose information. H for print hash file information. -e, u, f. H for a hash. Print 50 hash marks as a package archive is unpacked. If you don't use that one also sometimes, no problem. Yeah, this is about your RPM, guys. Now what I'm going to do is I will show you how to install a package, how to uninstall a package. By default, we have a CD in our system, so you can look at our CD. You can download it also, no problem. Okay, so we have a CD by directly. You can use it from here also. Go to packages in the CD. You can find lot of packages here. You can find lot of packages here. So I unnecessarily search for so many things, but you can look at each package, some name, version, EL7 and 64, x86 64. This is noarch, no architecture, but 64. Look at here, EL7 only. All are EL7 because my CD is 7 CD. You can install anything package you want it. So I'm trying to find a HTTP related package. Okay, this package I'm trying to install it. Okay, this package HTTPD like this. So go to properties, find out the location of this one. So this is the location of the package. First of all, so first is the location of the package and name of the package. Okay, normally basically you need a package details, but I'm doing in a CLI mode and yes, for to avoid little bit confusion. First of all, I'm going to CD and go to that package location. So where the packages are available. Okay, no such a file or directory. Why? Okay, very good. Now packages. Now I went there. See, I went there. Now RPM -q query the package name httpd. Press the tab button, so then you will get it. TP D HTTPD is not installed. Service based it is running. Okay, no problem. So we'll show IP IVH HTTPD. It's there only. Yeah, it is the thing. We need this one. So what I'm trying to do is I will copy from not required. So very simple. T, press the tab button. It is full. See this one, EL7 64-bit. It's mainly meant for CentOS HTTPD package. Now it is failed installation dependencies. Why it is failed installation dependencies? Oh, why I am unable to install the package? HTTPD. I want to install all the packages, means like this you can able to put it. That's not a good idea. Yeah, that's the problem is there. That's why I never use RPM. Okay, so what to do? RPM -IVH and give this one. Move this H part. Yeah, we have to install the tools also. That's it is asking tools httpd -tools. Yeah, it is installing now. I removed H no problem, but I am installing both the things. Yeah, it is preparing packages and install. Now what I'm going to do is I am querying it whether it is installed or not. It is one package is not installed, but other package is installed. So it is showing both are installed. Okay, no problem. But whenever you install a package, guys, you have to check the service, like service status. No. HTTPD status. So it is showing something like this. Okay, it is not on, it is dead service. Otherwise you can see system CTL status HTTPD. It is same output for both the things. This is for a EL7, this is for a EL6. Enterprise Linux 6, 7. Okay, anyway, it is showing but not started. Also, you can see ls space /var/ ww folder, ww folder, html folder. See, so this is kind of stuff it will shows. So that is a representation of that particular package is installed or not. You have to check with the services or query from here, installed or not installed. Okay, so it is installed. You want to update. What to do? Use capital U. For this is for updating, and for removing, E for removing. Error not installed. So okay, if it is not installed, then we'll go to services, find it. It is showing still here, and check the query. Yeah, finally it is showing not installed kind of stuff. So this is what to manage, but there is a little problem. So will be is there. So what it is? Same package. Also, you can add some other tools packages also there. Just for example only I'm telling. This is for installation. This is for query. Okay, this is for query. This is for update. Okay, same thing. This is for removing. Okay, of course there is a combinations are there. QP kind of stuff combinations are there like that. Okay, so this is about a RPM. I told, but that okay. So RPM usually I don't like it, but why I don't like it I will tell. That's it, guys. Again, one small part, not one small part, I'm telling again. So RPM is a package, and RPM is also a package management. It means you got a package or like a application download. The extension is .rpm, that is package, and RPM is a package manager. Using RPM command, you can install the package, you can query, you can update, you can remove the package also there. Print. Okay, so for I represent install, update, capital U, -e for a removing. Okay, like find out any package that is compulsory your wish only, and try to install the package, remove the package. Here it is in the RPM. As I said, I don't like it. So why? Because I will tell you. RPM cannot resolve dependencies. Generally cannot resolve dependencies. What is a dependency? To install any package, it may require to install pre-request. May require to install pre-request. So install a package, you install a package. Okay, so to install that package, there is a pre-request. It may require pre-request packages installation. It means you have to install some other packages. Okay, so that is called a dependencies. Guys, understand dependencies or out of station? So completely silent, right?
Sir, one more time, sir.
One more time.
Yes, sir.
So we can't get it.
What I will do, I will tell one more time RPM and I will stop. Okay, so because it's late also. Afternoon, I will tell yum directly. Okay, so yum how to install with yum kind of stuff, and how to manage remaining server HTTP NFS kind of stuff. Okay, so one more time I will tell RPM. Again, RPM is a package, because I can understand you didn't understand, that's why I'm waiting. Okay, in a package management, so basic things are a installation, updation, and uninstallation of package. Okay, different ways to install a package. One is type is RPM way, another is yum way. Yum RPM is basically a package management related, either packages with ending with RPM, means archiving with RPM, and also do package management related one. Okay, so this is we can install the package using RPM command, uninstall the package, update the packages using RPM command with the options. That's it about a RPM. Next one, what I don't want with the RPM, what is the problem with RPM and Red Hat operating systems is also one of the things is here it is. It cannot resolve dependencies automatically. What is the dependency? It is to install any package, it may require to install some prerequisites. Some prerequisites. For example, I want to install VMware Workstation. I want to install VMware Workstation. To install the VMware Workstation, I have to install some other packages. I have to install Jenkins. To install a Jenkins, I have to install Java first. I have to install Java first. Okay. So like that, I want to install a when I am trying to install. Okay, so look at here a PyChar. I want to try to install a PyChar in my desktop. See, this is a PyChar. To install a PyChar, how to install Java plus Python. You have to install Java and as well as a Python also. Okay, like that. So to install certain application, you may require to install a before one more package you have to install. For example, I want to install a SQL developer. I want to install a SQL developer. To install SQL developer, again I need a Java. Okay, like that. So we need a something prerequisite to install a package. That is called a dependencies. Think I want to install a package. Okay. To install this package, I have to install something package called a P1. If I install this one, then only I can able to install it. Understand? If I install this one, then only I can able to install this one. To install this one, I have to install some other package. To install these packages, I have to install. There is a few packages how to install. First of all, I have to install these packages. Then I have to install this. Then I have to install this. Then I have to install this. Is it good, right?
Yeah, sir, got it, sir.
Yeah, you got it, but understand the complexity.
Yeah, sir.
Right? So dependencies means if you want to install a package, you have to install the.
Sir, is it necessary for every package installing? You need prerequisite installation?
Not every package, not for every package. Sometimes it is not required.
Yeah,
Sometimes
sir.
certain packages not required. Some packages required. Okay, you want to install. I will show you that directly for yum. CD no problem. Yum repo list. Okay, very good. Yum install MySQL. Okay, I'm not putting any S all right, that just MySQL. See, it is first of all understanding resolving dependencies. Okay, it is resolving dependence. Any dependent package is there. If you have this package in your system, and you can directly install because all dependent packages are done. Okay, but you want to install some other package like httpd. Okay, see it is. If you want to install httpd, you have to install httpd tools. Okay, dependencies. It has a dependency. Okay, it has a dependencies. So like that. Okay, like this. Every package or may not like if you okay, we got a one good thing that is MariaDB don't require MariaDB don't require no like this. So go to packages. MariaDB is also will be here. I think so. I'm trying RPM hyphen IVH Maria no other things. Oh no, MariaDB or MariaDB. Yeah, MariaDB. So this is the package I want to install. Okay. This is the package I want to install. See, RPM like this. So it is installing. So it is not required any dependencies. So to know that it is installed or not, either you can search the package location, like a query kind of stuff. Okay, so it's showing the packages here, installed or not, installed, not installed kind of stuff. It is not showing like this. Is a package is showing not installed. I don't know why it is showing not installed. It is a successfully installed, right? Okay. It's okay, no problem. So then we installed a package successful, and I will show you like MySQL. MariaDB is related to MySQL -root -u -root -p. Password is nothing. Okay, password is admin @123. I didn't start the service. Service MySQL or a MariaDB SQL. Okay, MySQLD status. Very good. Successfully utter flap. Okay, guys. Whatever it is for installation. Again, if you try to install, it is already showing installed. You want to remove it or update, like you can use -e with the package combination. So I am locating combination like this. This is for installation. Okay. So this is -e for install. It is not showing any kind of stuff. I will try. It is not installed. It means already it is uninstalled. So this is how to manage the package. So this package not having any dependencies. This package is particularly not having any dependencies. No problem. But sometimes certain packages need a dependencies. Okay, you can also try this one. Okay, certain packages required dependencies. So for that one, you have to resolve the dependencies. So RPM is very difficult to resolve the dependencies. Okay, and when I'm trying to install with RPM, so I am giving full name of the package. Okay, that is also required. You have to locate where the package is located. So if you see this one, I have gone to where the package is located. Where the package is located, I went to there, and then I given a command. I given a full command. Okay, so this is the thing I have done. So for make it more easy and other things like a to resolve the things. Okay, so we use yum. Yum is a yellow dog update management kind of stuff. Yellow dog update management kind of stuff. So why the name is like that, we don't know. So yum is a yellow dog update and modifier. Update and modifier. Same whatever you do with a RPM, we can do same thing. Okay, but using a yum, it is very simple. It easy to resolve the dependencies by using yum repositories. Resolve dependencies. It is easy to resolve dependencies by using repositories. Repository or repositories. What are the thing? Okay. So what is this repository kind of stuff? We need a time or not time? Yeah, I will tell very simple way. Yeah, I will tell, and again I will tell. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, look at here, guys. So this is my Linux system. This is my Linux system. Okay, here I put my packages in a one folder. In a one folder, I put a packages, all packages in the folder. Everything is in the folder only. And I use some commands because I'm not showing how to do it this one because it will take a lot of time. Okay, so I'm using certain commands like a yum create a repo kind of stuff. Okay, create a repo with a package location I have to give. Okay, then it creates a package database. Okay, it creates package database. So where is the packages, guys? Here is the packages, and in this one only, in the bottom, it will create a database based on these packages. Means database means what are the packages are available, where the packages are available, what are the packages are available, where the packages are available, location, names. Okay, that kind of package data will be created. So that's DB is created in here only. Now what I'm doing is I'll create a file called a .repo file. Okay, for example, pack.repo file. For example, I put a pack.repo file. Okay, so in this repo file, I will mention. Okay, so name of the package, like a name of this repository is pack, and location where the packages are located. Okay, package location have to mention here. Okay, to enable is like a enable equal to 1. Okay, any keys are there, so you have to mention the keys. So this is the repo package.repo file like this, which is located in our system only. Again, in our system only, where it is located. So guys, I want to find those files in my system, which is start.repo files. So then you can see, like if you got a dot where it is located, you can easily find. See, /etc yum repos d like this. ls dot slash sorry ls etc yum dot repo, okay, and like this. Look at here, these are all repository file on. So I will put this thing in this particular location, okay. In this particular location I will put some repository file, okay. So this pack.repo will be under this one I created like this. The concept is like this, guys. Here it is. Now again in my terminal I'm typing these commands. Yum clean all, first command. Yum repo list, okay. These two are very important, first two commands. Important, not important, I'm not talking like this, like I'm talking first two commands. Clean all means it remove the cache data. It remove the cache data. So we'll go to repo list. Here it is. When you put a yum repo list, it go to this file. In this file, it is mentioned where is your packages and databases. Okay, so it will search in the file where the location of the packages, so that it will connected. It is connected to these packages and download this database to our machine. Download the package database only, not packages. To download package databases to your local PC. Next time when you trying to install any application, vim info some package name, okay, some package name. Next command is yum install your package name, package name are your service name. Use package name, service name, like HTTP or full kind of stuff. When you are using kind of stuff, that's okay. So obviously we can able to manage. You can update yum remove. We can uninstall it also. So point is, in all these things, it automatically resolve the dependencies by generally. So what is the by generally means? What are the required packages for your application? You put already in the one location and you created a database on it. So when you are installing an application, you need a certain dependencies. Again, it will go here, download the dependency, install the dependency, and clean up the dependency. Okay. So what it is happen in installation to resolve the dependencies. Okay. When you are installing, when I put a yum install a package or a service, okay, the service or package related is search. Okay, when I given a package or a service related, it search in the DB. Is any package related to this service or related to this package name, any package or a service package related to the service, so it is search in the database. Okay, next it find, once it is find it, again it will search for the dependencies. So okay, for to install the package, we need a sometimes a dependency. Okay, again it search the dependence in the database only. So then the database will tell you where the packages, okay, dependent packages also. Database will tell you the packages and dependent packages. So we'll download your package and a dependency. So we'll install finally. So this is what happened if you are using yum. Okay, guys. I will explain it again in afternoon by doing the practical because okay, it is easy to resolve dependency by using repositories. The repositories location is /etc/yum.repos.d. Repos or repo, that is also an important. Repos. You can find the repositories here. Okay. Example repository is, for example, okay, example.repo. It's a repository file. In this one, you can find like a name. Name of the thing is example. Okay, and a file will tell you location. Okay, location means package location. Okay, you enable one like this. Okay, I will show you the how it is as a sample repository is there. I will show you this one. So less /etc/yum.repo the centos base.repo. Okay, so you can see, so this is the hashtag represent of means comment. This is means comment. Base, okay, section is base, name is like this, mirror list or base URL, mirror list or base URL like this. So this is the location of your packages, location of the packages. GPG check key means when you are downloading an installation, it may require a key. So then it will use that key to download. For this is update. You want to update. So this is the location, remote location of the packages. Extras like this. If you see enable 0 represent this particular repository part is disabled. Okay. So like this again, you can look at this. These are the different packages. Okay. And here it is. So these are the different locations mentioned here. Okay, so as I said, like a GPG key kind of stuff is there enabled. Base URL or a file. Sometimes it will say base URL. Also, it will mention so different locations. So okay, so this is contains what is a rep.repo file contains information about location of the packages. Location of the packages. Okay, so by default, what are the things are there also in our centos? These are there in our centos. Okay, look at that one and find out. So try to read. So one of the package. Try to read one of the package. Guys, again I'm telling. This repository file contains information of location of the packages and the database. Okay, when you use the command yum repo list, so it load the database into our local system. It load the database into our local system. So like this, yum clean all means already cached data into our local system will be cleaned first. Okay, next I use yum repo list. It is try to connect. So then it is loading the base extra update. It is loading into our PC. So it is downloaded into our PC, the database. The database is downloaded into our local PC. If you want to install something like a yum info httpd service, not required to know the package name also sometimes. See, it is it's available package, okay, like this. Okay, you can see installed package. This particular package is installed. You can see it is installed, and you can see it is available. You can do it. Okay, you want to uninstall the package, like already it is installed, right? So you want to install some package like a MariaDB, MySQL kind of stuff. Okay, yeah, MariaDB, I will put it. Okay, so it is will be installed. It is already installed. No, it will be installed like this MariaDB. There is no dependencies. Like I am not installing. Before you install, guys, always go to info, yuminfo, MariaDB. What are the different packages are available or installed? We can able to get it. It is available package. So package name and this one. It is nothing but a MySQL only. Okay. So service name is also server name MySQL DB. It is showing like that. Okay. So if you want to install, I will do yum install MariaDB. Enter. It is the package name. It is showing yes. Press Y to yes. Install. Now it is installing. It is having some GPG problem. Then press Y. Install. Okay, now it is installing. Package is installed. Again, go to yuminfo. Look at it is earlier it is showing available package. Now installed. Package is installed. So this is confirms you are already installed. Okay. Next. Yeah, if you want to use it, you can use it MariaDB-u root-p. Okay, very good. It is asking password. I don't have a password. There is some settings you have to do it. So I am unable to find a setting. System CTL. Again, I'm trying to disturb you. MySQL D. So why it is not found MySQL or a MariaDB? It is waste. Whatever it is, again, how to update MariaDB. So it is won't be updated by because of it just now only it is installed. Okay, no mark for updates. It won't be updated. Next, remove. For uninstalling, just give remove option. It is telling, do you want to remove? Yes. Okay, I removed successful. Again, check it. Are you removed or not? Okay, it is available packages means you're successfully removed. Okay, the service thing we'll see later. Okay, so from here, I think. No, not from here. From here. So if you are working in a CentOS, this is the one of the best thing is you no need to download each and every package. No need to worry about how to resolve the packages like that. Okay, so by default, CentOS comes with a CentOS comes with a default repositories. Comes with a certain default repositories inside. Okay, so if you take a Red Hat Enterprise Linux, problem is you don't get any default repositories. You don't get any default repositories. Okay. So one more EPEL release. Okay. This is a package. If you install this package into your local PC, you will get extra package for enterprise Linux from the Fedora project. So if you install this package into your local PC, maximum it will support. Okay. So I'm open source mariadb.com tutorials point, very good. So mine is TechMind always. Guys, when you are installing certain packages, compulsory check on which type of version you are installing, and in a Debian or Ubuntu or Fedora, do it. Okay. Look at here. These are a different type of things are giving, right? So it is telling how to download and create kind of stuff. See, in a 6, in a 5, in 564, 6 CentOS. So different ways are there. Okay, but I don't want all these things. Okay, here it is. How to start in a 6 and 5. This is how to start. In a 7, I tried this one, not working. This is a Fedora 20. Okay, package management varies from one type of operating system to another type. If you see, it is Debian. Debian commands are different. Ubuntu commands are different from package management. The final point, one point I want to add it. If you are using Ubuntu, apt get is the package management. Also Debian. Okay. PKG. Okay. PKG, APKG or APKGA, something like that is there. Okay, so difference is there. When you go to Debian package management. Okay, in a Debian package management, so it is a deb is showing, and also dot extensions also different. Okay, so deb is a command, but that archive package management is different. Ubuntu package management is different. So compulsory verify that one. Okay. Yeah. Here it is. Last point. Yum commands. Yum install package dot rpm. We can install it, or you can use yum install some service name, example like this. We can able to use it. Next, here it is. Yum install for a installation. Info for information. I will complete. It's completed, guys. Just for a notes purpose only. Yum update for update package or system. Both we can able to package entire system. Also, you can do it. What I'm typing also I don't. Okay, entire system also we can do it. Remove. This is another one to remove the package. It's like a remove means remove or uninstall. So these are few kind of stuff. Okay, easy to resolve dependencies. Location of repo files is here. Okay, location of repo files. Okay, example file. Okay, it's an example file. Read it and how it is look like. I told. Easy to resolve or depend. Okay, that's the thing. Next. So this is, for example, how to install something. Okay, so it depends upon operating system to operating system. Package management is different. Find out what is the package management for a Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora kind of stuff. Okay, it is a deb is showing like that, but PKRG something is there. Package, PKRG, PKGR, packager kind of stuff is there. So in YAM, it is a possible that you can install group wise installation updation is there. Yum install, first of all, yum info yum group info, like a, for example, development related packages, network related packages, like that. Okay, just last trial, guys. Clear. Yum group info develop de and tools, for example. So it is, these are all development tools related thing. Okay, so development tools. So there is no install group in the files like that. It is showing group development tools. Okay, it is, these are all mandatory default packages. Optional packages are there. Okay, what I given, group info development tools. So you want to give a cap letter, small letter kind of stuff, also you can try to it, but make sure that which one you are trying kind of stuff. Okay, next, you want to install, you can do group install. So development tools, like it's a cap letter is there. So like group development does not have any package to install. Make run yum group mark install cman yum group install is there, no, not there. Why? Okay, so why this is group in a group info, why it is showing? Okay, these don't have any information group file kind of stuff, but it is okay, that command is there. So, like this, yum group install kind of stuff is there. So group name you have to tell. So this is a group wise kind of stuff you can able to give. Yeah, this is the example of group name. Okay, so this is the group wise installation. We'll do it again. I will tell yum once again, explain in afternoon. Oh, okay, sorry guys, again 3 o'clock. Bye bye. I didn't see the time.